Welcome to Hey Podcasters, where we bring live discussion with our podcasters' guests, find answers, and gain new answers to some of the most challenging questions about podcasting. We believe it's the best way to get tips and learn.
Hello, everyone. Well, Marco Levette back with another podcaster, and we are going to speak with someone who has dedicated a big portion of her life and time to being a business coach, and she's all about leadership. We're talking about branding globally. This celebration is a global celebration, and Janine Bunzi Guillet, and I hope I didn't butcher it. She is here because I tell you, she's located here in the States, but she's trafficking across the ocean all the time, getting us connecting businesses so that we can get our brands connected in Africa. She is global. So Janine, let me bring you in and tell us about this marvelous thing of branding and doing it globally. Welcome, madam.
Thank you so much, Coach Margot. I'm very good. Thank you for the opportunity that you gave me. I'm very glad to be here. Coach Margot, she's another connector. So I'm so glad to be able to be part of this great celebration that we already starting engaging. So I'm glad to be on this global platform. Thank you so much, Coach Margot.
Oh my goodness, you are such a gracious woman. When I tell you this lady is connected and she gives us all the reasons why as podcasters, we really can't afford to stay in our own zip code, in our own city, even in our own state, in our own country. So Coach Janine, will you just give us some insight into when all of this began? And please tell us exactly, then we'll go into Empowering You TV. And before we say anything else, I want people to know she's over on YouTube, but you're a podcaster, correct? Is that how you identify yourself?
Yes, on podcast, absolutely, yeah. So we definitely use different form of podcasting, and really, it's a different platform that we're using to be able to, give our message and be able to support business owners across the world. Yeah.
Across the world. And you'll later find out, ladies and gentlemen, that this woman is fluent in French. But Coach Janine, take us there. How did you get into this thing of leadership and business coaching and doing it from the diaspora and bringing it to the States?
Thank you so much for the question, Coach Margot. I really wanted just to share with our viewers about my journey, how it started. It's really by watching the strong women who are really around me. And to me, leadership was really something natural. And I've usually share my story really with many people, in my platform, how I really started realize that I was surrounded and blessed to be able to grow up in a household where I see leadership every day. I see empowerment every day, and how they tell the story, how they're supporting one another. So I had business women really around me, and growing up, seeing that, where I was growing up in Congo, and also when we travel from Congo to here, it's really another story from another day, but really leadership really started like that. And that's how I started really to craft my style, my own style. Yes. To be able to, to continue to empower women and men, in business. So that's really how my journey started. And I started really empowering people, doing trainings and, and different things and so forth. Yeah.
Wow, that's incredible, because we say that we are global. We want to be movers and shakers globally. But at the end of the day, most of us don't know how to do that. We don't know how to get started on that. So on your podcast, and it's Empowering You TV over on YouTube. Also, you're very active over on Facebook. You're always bringing on men and women who are spanning the globe as far as the diaspora, different countries of Africa. Am I correct?
That's right, because that's really the mission that we have. I'm the founder of With You Solution, which is a consulting firm where we do actually help business owners and company to be able to be that liaison, where we have a project and we have company that they're looking for investors, they're looking for support. So we help them to be able to transition and even creating an extension of the business to Africa. So we bring them opportunities. We help them really creating that team that they need, because many of us know how it could be really overwhelmed to be able to bring, a business overseas. So we really, take care of that portion for you. We really designed the blueprint for you, and we work for you from the beginning and the end. So that's what we do with You Solution.
I love that. So then the doors are wide open for us to run through, and you help us.
Absolutely. And you're not going alone. So that's really something that we do emphasize, that definitely, when you're working with us or with Your Solution, we help you, really accomplish what you want to do and be able to continue even, and across the board, because we believe that many, many people have their businesses and they want to expand their businesses. So we are here to be able to help you through that journey together. And so you don't have to figure out on your own. We help you, really creating your team and really, get you going.
Got you. That's important right there. Don't go it alone. You don't know what you're doing.
Absolutely. And we do connect you with the people that we need, the people that you need because definitely we can know that we have resources, we have connection, and that's why we are here to really make sure that the transition is very smoothly, so you can be able to bring your business global.
Wow. One thing I do know about you, you are very forward thinking, and you are not stuck in doing an old business model. You are incorporating podcasting into, let's get the business owners into podcasting so that they can tell their story. Take us there. What made you think this is a good idea?
Yeah, so definitely thank you, Coach Margot, for that question. I really realized early on that some business owners who were coming to us, and many people who were coming to us and really asking how they can be able to they did not have the visibility. So that's one thing that we start with, where we really sit down with you, we see where you are in your journey to be able to bring your business global, and we start really designing the plan, your visibility plan, your marketing plan. So that's when the idea of podcasting really started. I really wanted to give definitely a platform where I can be able to bring the investors and the business owners who are looking for each other and really match them, because we are matchmaking activity we're doing conferences, and that was really to be able to bring the message and the visibility for those business owners.
Oh, wow. And it's working. It is working. I listen to what you're doing over on YouTube, Empowering You TV, and the one with Dr. Elo. I had to listen to that twice. What a fabulous gentleman he is. And between the two of you all, is so much knowledge. I mean, you can't listen to your shows, episodes one time. You have to go back in. They dig in so deep. So that is a testimony to the power of podcasting when you are making this change, and you are a entrepreneur. You want to make sure that people understand what your product, your service is all about. How big is podcasting in the various countries of Africa? I'm thinking that it's growing as it is everywhere. What's your take? What do you see?
Oh, definitely. It's really, really growing very quickly. And I connect with podcasters and business owners every day through social media. So I think this pandemic really gave us opportunity and really the time to be able to be creative. That's really what I really think that this opportunity that I start really using more podcasts and really be able to bring on those experts who, maybe, they'll continue, to do business as usual, traditional way, but now they're coming forward. So definitely, to respond to your question, our podcast, it's really booming now in Africa and in different countries that where we are connected every day. People inviting me different places for interview. They just want to see that visibility, and it's really, it's really taking its own course. Yeah.
Yes. Podcasting is really solidifying itself to be the media piece that it is. It's a vehicle that's going to give you the exposure and the visibility that you're searching for.
Absolutely. And the visibility now today, you don't even have to be able to subscribe, to a local TV. You can be able to on your classroom or in your living room, be able to give your message and be able to be visible. So I really see the technology to be able to use technology. A lot of people are being very creative with that. So yeah, we have more people who are really coming and really showing and sharing their story. That's the beauty
Yes.
of that. Yeah.
Yes. You find the storytelling is very, very important and it's impactful.
Very, and to me that's a very personal, and to me I've seen just by my experience really working with investors and business owners, they could be touched when they see, I mean, they could read your proposal, but when you tell your story, that's where they connect. They see your why, you're sharing your why. So that's really one of the things that we've been doing a lot of training and coaching around that, how you can definitely craft your story and really you can be able to tell your story authentically. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And
Oh
that's
my.
what investors are looking for.
They want the authenticity and the
Yeah.
true story.
Mhm.
Got you. That reminds me the intimacy of a podcast because it's one-on-one almost,
Yeah.
that person can feel like, wow, she's talking to me, that's my friend, that's my
Right.
connection. And then there are as a podcaster, you are positioning yourself so that they can choose to spend that time with you. So it only makes sense that it's just booming and growing and blossoming as an industry.
Absolutely. Yeah. Because it's also really showing people that you also in a place of authority, that you really, really craft and monetize, your skills and your story as well, because like the passion, and you really be able to give a message in a very authentic way. Yeah, I
Yes,
agree with
yes.
you. Mhm.
Nobody can tell your story like you can tell it. Not
Yes, nobody else. Absolutely.
that that energy that comes out is all consuming. It really,
Yeah,
really is.
absolutely.
Solutions Academy. Tell us a little something about that. And I see that our time is winding down, but I want you to tell us about what's coming up on the horizon for Solution
Mhm.
Academy.
Yeah, so I'm so glad we're gonna be actually really launching, in a few months or so. We're gonna have a With You Solution Academy where we're gonna have all these courses where people are gonna come and learn, because we are all about training, empowerment. So really giving people tools and strategy to be able to be, effective caster. So I'm even very excited that I'm gonna be working with Coach Margot. She's gonna be our instructor in so many courses that I'm so excited. So we're gonna start very soon. Probably starting in the month of November, that we're gonna really launch the whole. So I'm so excited because it will be a platform where anybody can come and learn, be able to find all those tools that you need to be
Yeah.
able to thrive in your business, be able to have all the material, and to be able the training that you need to be able to expand your business global.
Yes. Oh, and global. I love the fact that we have to go global. We
Yeah.
really, really have to go global. Wow. Coach
Mhm.
Janine, you have most of the time when I listen to one of your podcasts, when I listen to one of your episodes over there on YouTube, you always end up translating in French. So before we close out, tell me why you all pretty much catch the French up in what you've just presented.
So the reason why I'm so blessed to have two community, I have two platforms. So, and that's something that I really consider as a blessing, to be able to have, two community where I can be able to continue to serve them, to serve, the French community, and to be able to also have my view of my English community, to be able to match them together, because I can be able to do that in one platform. To me, that's really such a blessing. So yeah, that's why I try to share the same information with my English community and my French community. So again, we are a global. That shows you how we can be able to connect. The same people are having the same information in different languages, because
Yes,
we are expanding. We are global.
I love it. I love it. Tell us where we can find you, Empowering You TV, and any other
Yeah.
information you want to give.
Thank you so much, Coach Margot. So you can be able to find us in Empowering You TV on YouTube, and you can be able to find us on Instagram, Empowering You TV. And also we have our Empowering You TV on Facebook group. Or you can also be able to find us on our Facebook at also my personal Janine Bonzigier, and our website withyousolution.com. And you can call me as well, 802-399-4144. Thank you so much, Coach Margot.
Coach Janine, I tell you, helping us all take our place in this world, because the world does need each and every one of us. Do you agree?
Absolutely. Each one of us. Absolutely. Yeah.
All right. From one podcaster to another, I say thank you. Thank you, Coach Janine. And thank you, everybody, for listening. I'll see you when we talk to the next podcaster. Bye-bye now.
Thank you for listening to Hey Podcasters. That's it for this week's episode. Be sure to follow us in your favorite podcast app or connect with us on heypodcasters.com so that you don't miss our next episode. We wish you happy podcasting and see you in the next episode.